Alright guys, so I'm going to show you to make your Snapchat profile public. And that includes adding the subscribe button. Alright, so it's pretty simple. Now, first in the top left corner, just press on your profile. And then in the top right corner, press on the gear icon. Now, first what you want to do is scroll down some until you see privacy controls. Now press on where it says see me in quick add. And just make sure that's turned on. And for this other stuff, if you want, you can, just for example, if you want everyone contacting you or just your friends. But yeah, those are up to you. Alright, so to make it public, just back on this page. And towards the bottom, you see where it says public profile. Now, as long as you're 18 or older, you can do this. So just press create public profile, and I'll also show you guys how to add the sub button. Alright, so just pressing get started. And it's just confirming here, so alright, so you can also edit or delete your public profile at any time. Alright, so it's going to confirm, press on create. Now you see it says public profile. And from here press on edit profile. And towards the bottom here, just turn on where it says show subscriber count. And hey guys, so there is to it. So hopefully this helped out.